Let's test your knowledge on plants. What do plants need to grow? Milk, water, toys, or sugar? The correct answer is water. What is the process by which plants make their food? Digestion, respiration, photosynthesis, or evaporation? Photosynthesis. Which part of a plant makes food? Roots, flowers, leaves, stem. Leaves is the correct answer. What do plants need to grow? Chocolate, sunshine, soda, or toys? Sunshine. What do flowers turn into after pollination? Seeds, rocks, clouds, or sunlight? Seeds is the correct answer. What gives the plants their green color? Chlorophyll, water, soil, or oxygen? Chlorophyll. Which plant grows from a bulb? Tulip, pine, cactus, or bamboo? Tulip is the correct answer. What do trees release into the air that humans need to breathe? Smoke, oxygen, carbon dioxide, or dust? Oxygen. What do plants need to take from the air? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Helium. Answer: carbon dioxide. What type of plant has no flowers? Rose, fern, sunflower, and orchid? Fern. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.